Hey guys, Fraser here from Sherwood Dodge. Got exciting news here. It's a 2020 Chrysler Pacifica here. This one does include 0% financing. Come take a look here. This thing has absolutely everything, front and rear sensors here, with the nice skin gray color and the red interior. You have your power seats, you have the 20 speakers, Harman Kardon, fully loaded with all the safety options. So adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot, everything you can imagine. It does have the hands-free door as well that you can kick just right underneath there and it will open. The one touch stow and go, the two sunroofs as well. As we'll bring it to the back here, everything is touchless. This is the sport model, comes with the hitch, everything you need there, as well as a one-touch stow and go from the rear here. Give it a second. Look at that, perfect, hands-free. If you want to come down, take a look, or book a test drive, message me on Facebook, Fraser at Sherwood Dodge, or feel free to call or text me, 780-977-3852. Thanks.